Hi everyone, this is Jasmine, and in this video we're going to continue our discussion on some of the basic HTML tags. So if you recall, in our last video we tried on some of the basic HTML tags. So we'll just continue on some of those tags in this video. Okay, but first thing is we'll discuss on what are HTML attributes. So HTML attributes provides additional information about HTML elements. So for example, you want to change the color of the font, you want to change the size, or you want to change the face, or for example, you want to insert an image and you want to make the size of the image bigger or change the alignment of the image, then that's the time you have to add additional attributes into your HTML elements. Okay, so the format for that is you have your tag name here. So you put your attributes in the opening tag. Okay, so you have your tag name here, you have the attribute, equal symbol, double quote here is not required, but it is encouraged that you put double quote to contain the value of your attribute. Okay, so we have an example here. So I have here the tag font, and then this is another attribute, color, and the value is red. Space, so if you have more than one attributes that you want to use, you have to put a space in between that one. So space, size is equal to the value, space again, face is equal to Arial. Okay, so let's have an example of this one. Let's go to our editor. Let's make a new file for this. Okay, so again, same thing. We have here our basic structure. Then let's name this one basic HTML tags part 2. Okay, and then let's save this one. Save it here, and then we'll say basic HTML 2.html. Okay, save this. Okay. Okay, so let's go to our body and let's try to use the font tag. So I'll say font. Wait first, so let's say this is my text. Welcome, let's just have this one as an example to my website. Okay, so let us use our font tag here. So I will say font. Okay, like this. And then let us use some attributes. So I'll say color. Let's say we change it to blue. And then the size, we change it to 5. And the face, we will use here Arial. It's our font face. Okay. So you have your opening tag, Arial. Okay, so again, you put your attributes inside the opening tag. Okay, and then close tag here. So this text will be applied with all the attributes of that we specified in the opening tag. Okay, let's save this one. Let's open our file. Basic HTML2. Okay, so you can see it's changed. It's the color now is blue, and the size is 5, and the font face now is Arial. Okay, that's very easy. Okay, so now let's use some of the special characters that we can use in HTML. Okay, so for example, I want to put a space like this, just for the sake of example. Let's see if this works. I put some space in my editor. So you can see it's not shown here in our browser because HTML ignores those extra spaces. So what you can do, you can use the special character NBSP or non-breaking space. This will give you 1 space. So if I want 5 spaces, I can add another one. And this, so I now have 3 spaces. Let's add 5. Okay, save this. Okay. So that is the NBSP. Okay, so there are some special characters in HTML that you can insert. Now to do that, you can search like this, HTML special characters. Then you can go to this website or some other links from here. Okay, so you have here the number code and the entity code and the character that will be displayed if you use that particular code. So let's say we choose this one. So we want to output this one into our browser. So we can use the number code or we can also use the entity code. So let's try the number code. So that's ampersand hash symbol 169. Okay, I'll put in here. So let's save this one. Let us see. Okay, so see, you have that symbol now. Okay, so another one is okay, let's say this one, the registered trademark symbol. So let's this time use the entity code. Okay, trademark. Okay, so this is the copyright symbol and this is the trademark symbol. Okay, save this. Let's go back here. Okay, so see. So there are a lot of special characters that you can use from in here. You can just go refer to their respective entity codes. Okay, let's have one more example on how to use HTML attributes. So let's try the HR. If you remember, the HR gives you a horizontal rule that lets you divide sections of your page. Okay, so it has also the color attribute, same with the font. So I say red, and then I'll say size is equal to 3. Okay, let's save this one. Okay, so now it's there. So those are the examples on how you can use attributes into your HTML elements and how to insert some special characters as well. Okay, so thank you very much. I'll see you in our next video.